wrench this gate right here. Maybe, just maybe, they won't blow it open, knock y'all off, tear everything up in the process, you know what I mean? Well guys, today's the day. The first bunch of the second round of steers we've had run through our feedlot this year are headed to the butcher today. And y'all come with me. Let's go. First, we're going to just sort us out the first 7. And then we're going to run them over to Zephyr, to Local Cuts, and drop them off for them to be processed tomorrow. And then, I don't know what else we're going to do today. Let's go see. Let's go have some fun. First thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to go hook the cattle trailer up. I'm going to let y'all ride right here, and let's go get her hooked up. Maybe we can put you right over here. How's that? That's a good spot for you. Sure hope y'all don't fall off back there as we drive around here, but I had that flatbed trailer hooked up. I was actually going to haul some skid steer attachments this morning. We need to get a trencher to lay some water line around here and to do some stuff at the church. And we're going to pick up a mulching head that we're renting so that we can do some work on a piece of property that we own in town that we're wanting to develop, but we need to get some bunch of old brush cut off of it first. So this should be in about the right spot since Clance unhooked it the other day. Now I haven't got my cameras hooked back up on this bed yet, so I can't even see if when it's the right spot. Y'all say when? That good? I think I'm probably going to have to go back a little bit further. Not much. Not much. That get it? Too much. Too much. About that. About right. I'm going to use my hydro ball. Got my jack up. Raise it up just a little bit more. Perfect. I mean, that's fast trailer hooking up right there. So I know there's going to be some questions. Some of y'all may or may not have ever seen the hydro ball we've got here. This is made by a fella named Terry. Look him up, hydroball.com. He's a fella in the construction business and he's got cattle. And he said, you know what? I'm kind of tired of just jacking trailers up all the time. I wanted to design something that works better and easier. So he did, and he's been trying it for about, I think he said he's had them out for about 4 years, the one on his pickup and a few of his friends, and it's been working good. We've only had ours for about a week, so I don't know all the details about it, but so far it seems pretty nice. Some of the common questions that we've already had about it are, how much can it lift? Well, 15,000 pounds directly above the ball. So straight up, it'll pick up 15,000 pounds. What about seals? It's just gonna, looks like a neat idea, but it's just gonna blow out seals. I'm not gonna divulge all of Terry's industry secrets, maybe, so to speak, but he's taken some precautions to prevent that. He said in the 4 years they've had them out, they haven't had to replace a set of seals yet. So thankfully, that's awesome. How's the ball attached to the ram? It's threaded in, and that ram spins in that inside of the cylinder there, so you don't have to worry about it trying to back off. Another thing that helps with the seals, because it's never in the same place twice. And you cannot drive with it up. It's only to pick up and set down your trailer so that you can hook up and unhook your trailer. What's another common question? Does it work on any bed? So yes, if you have a hydraulic bed like mine, it'll retrofit to any bed, is what Terry said, or he'll figure out a way to help you get it in there. If you don't, he has an option where you can buy a power unit to go with it, a little hydraulic unit that you can mount up in the corner of your bed and run it. So just supporting another American farmer rancher. So all right, let's go back up and load up some steers. Let's go load some steers. So today we've got 7 head going today. Today's Thursday for us. They're gonna harvest them on Friday. And then on Monday, I've got another 7 head going. And on Tuesday, another 6. So all 20 of these will be going in the next couple of days, next few days here. So see if we can get them loaded. It's kind of a mess right there. We got our sheep and goat system set up right here, and it's hanging over just a little bit too far, but maybe they won't go up there. I don't think they will. I don't know, maybe let's see if we can push this gate around and just make it push. I like that better. They may not go through it quite as easy, but they probably won't turn and try to go back. So now normally what I would do with these is I'd say, okay, this calf needs, a few more weeks on feed, or this one needs a little bit more here, but they're all going within 4 days of each other. So 4 days ain't gonna make a whole lot of difference on anybody, so we're just gonna take them like they are. The first 7 that run out's the ones that are going. That sound good to y'all? Suits me. Okay, let's open this gate. Since you got your mud boots on, you want to bring them out? I need 7. First 7 that walk out. Leave 3. Watch behind you. One more. That one by the water trough. Let him walk around. There you go. Good cut. Good sort. He for sure needs to go. Look at that brute. Seems like we've been having just every day as we've been getting a little shower or heavy dew. So our feedlot pen is kind of a mess, but come on, boys. Come on. Walk up that alley. Hey. I need a gate over here so I can close it, but I ain't got one, so. Come on, 48. Before it starts to rain. We're just country boys, and look at these brutes. Hey, boys. Just takes one to see the gate. There we go. Hey, fellas. Hey. Hey. Walk up there, guys. Hey. Hey. Walk on, boys. Look at that sucker, 51 right there. He is a hoss. Close the gate, guys, in case they escape on me. Now I'd really like to put maybe 5 of them in the front and put 2 in the back. If it would work out that way. Latch this gate right here. Maybe, just maybe, they won't blow it open, knock y'all off, tear everything up in the process, you know what I mean? Hey, fellas. One of you take a step back here. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Hey. Hey. Hey, walk up there, 51. Hey, walk up there, boys. Just takes 1 or 2 of you. Hey, one more step, big boy. Hey. Will you hand me a chain? I gotta get this latch fixed in here. Thank you. All right, Izzy, get out. Get out of here, Iz. I'm gonna latch this gate right here. Maybe, just maybe, they won't blow it open, knock y'all off, tear everything up in the process, you know what I mean? Can you go around it so they don't, well, that gate's about half shut, never mind. Come grab this camera, please. I don't know if it broke, hon. There was 0 pressure on you. There's no reason for you to do that. Turn your head and go on that trailer. Hey!
Izzy!
Get out of here, steer. Go on, you big head. Hey! Get back. Quit acting like that. Shh. Well, guys, here's the aftermath. We got one broken gate that we'll be able to straighten out and rehang. But other than that, we got a steers, got them all loaded and ready for the butcher. And this is why I hate these sheep and goat panels, because you can't do nothing to crawl over them. And we almost had them jump out over yonder. It's just a mess, but you can't hardly go in there with anything else and get it tight enough where it'll hold lambs. So it is what it is, but they're loaded and that's all that matters. Come on, panel, you wouldn't hang up on nothing else if I wanted you to, but you won't roll right now, will you? Get down there and stay. All right, well, let's go take them to the butcher.